Ambilo,
Yes.
before singena ku Emtee, I want you to tell me, are you his fan or not?
I'm not his fan.
Oh, Jesus.
Okay. Now at least we can balance things.
Okay.
Ah, guys.
Yeah, quick, ndikubalisele who's Emtee in case awumazi. Emtee is that guy, that famous dude, ne, who goes live, a high like a hito, afika khuphe zipenis zakhe, everything for the world to see.
You are being misinformed.
That's Emtee.
Yes, you are being
Emtee is that guy I've never ever seen a sober. Ne? Uhlala njalo man ethe but ke azikho lapho Mpilo. So fam, please do comment below usixelele wena ufila kanjani ngalento sizawuthetha ngayo. Uthi uMtee, he's coming for everything.
Of course, why not, man? Joe Hasselberg, man. This man has been hustling his whole life. He has never stopped. He keeps on going with whatever comes his way. He's there. He hustles. He wakes up. Good music every year, man. From Avery, from Roll Up, from Re-Up, from Logan to Logan. Ah, come on, man. Come on. DIY 1, DIY 2. Kuza DIY 3 ngoku. Do you know what DIY stands for?
I don't even care.
Do it yourself.
Okay.
Do it yourself, man.
So Mpilo ne? I don't really like Emtee, ne?
Okay.
You know why?
Why?
Emtee ngakhala umculo wakhe bemjayivela Moeketsi nami ndiyavibe because he's got beautiful music. Emtee is one person I can proudly say he's talented. Ne? He's talented, I don't want to lie. Ne? Talented mntana bantu. But the problem yam is that Emtee uyathandwa ngabantu, even ngabantwana. We look up to this guy. But this guy, man, akana respect for Tina or icraft yakhe because wenza anyhow uvunyelwa icontrol yoba acontrolwe iweed. He takes yonke into afuna uyithatha ayizise kuthi. Athi uyasimotivate.
Jesus, you're tarnishing this man's image.
Kamandi ndichilo nti I like his music.
Man,
I like
don't do
his
that,
music.
man. Don't do that to Emtee. What's the headline? What's the headline?
Emtee uthi.
Yekintsango.
No.
What's the headline?
Ndifike kwintsango because Mpilo doesn't understand why mna.
Yeah, start with the good news first.
I did. I said Emtee is talented. Didn't
and
I say
then,
that?
What he's working on right now?
He's working on Udai 3. Udai 3.
Yes, that's the thing we should be talking about. Have you seen social media? Yaga Emtee, right? He's coming for everything that has been taken away
because
from him.
Of what? Of die?
No,
of dying?
No, because of what happened when he was in Ambitious Entertainment. So right now, we are in Ambitious. So please, man, like, look up to that album, man. I'm definitely sure. You know, my expectations were, man. With Logan, my expectations were high. Yo, man, this guy blew me off the roof, man. He blew me off the roof. Like, I'm wondering what he's going to do right now with the amount of talent he is. No mungathi uyanxila uyawa kuma live uvezani in, but the talent is there. No one is going to take it away from him.
Do you have a younger brother or sister, Moeketsi?
I am a younger brother to the brothers.
So you don't have the younger younger one?
No, I have my nephew.
So unephew wakho nxa ebukele live ka Emtee.
No, how old is he?
How old is he?
He's 6 years old. He's
not
not eligible to watch those things.
Makathe bena 12.
Yeah.
Uyambukela Emtee phuhlu ipenis ngaphandle. What do we say?
What do we say with what?
Ngalonto ayibonileyo yena as
Emtee akana OnlyFans account.
What happened last time?
He doesn't have an OnlyFans account.
What happened last time?
It was a mistake, man. You know what we do as human beings, man. You understand?
Like yenzeka kanjani mistake yakhona?
No, angithi he's on a live ne talking to people and then uyachama. So makachama ufuna ukuvula iziphi. So he takes a phone mistakenly. We saw we saw the machine that
If he
gave
was
birth to Logan
sober,
or Avery.
if he was sober, best not understand. But because yonke into yenza Emtee high,
When
that's
you
my
are obsessed with the
problem.
pennies. Why are you obsessed with the penny story?
Okay, let's leave that penny
Aye.
story aside. Let's talk about the motivation he gave to a street vendor. He said, yeah, he started selling weed
As a
estradini.
hustle.
Ne? Ebengekho athethe enye into mhlawumbe.
You didn't get the context.
I did.
You
Ebezama
didn't.
umxelela into
No,
yokuba-
mamela.
No, ebezama ukutsho.
It doesn't matter what you're selling. The context of that thing is that even if you are a small entrepreneur, don't stop, whether you're selling nuts or whatever. And then he made an example about himself. Ukuthi yena, he sold weed. It
Yeah.
doesn't mean ukuthi you must sell weed to get where I am. No, it's the context that you guys must understand. Ukuthi what he was trying to say. People are hustling out there because of him, man.
Why engathi nam I used to sell estradini?
Ini.
Akho need I mention.
Bega, you saw a guy, you know, he reminds you or she reminds you of you when you were growing up. And then you see this guy, you need to tell him those words, Gucci. When he or she is on the verge of giving up, he should remember, Gucci, you know, someone came to me, told me this beautiful words, and I would never give. Is it wrong to motivate someone?
It's not.
It's not wrong.
It's not wrong.
Mbilo, uyadlula ngo?
Yeah,
Uyanishiya
she has to. She has to
Bilo,
because when you're
Una
against good
point,
things,
una
yeah, of
point.
course.
But now we're not talking about motivation. We're talking about what you are using to motivate umuntu.
What did he use?
What if like guy uhambile wayothenga insango wayithengisa?
Okwakhe lumdala for leyo.
No, man,
Cabanga
no,
wena umdala
no,
ngithi thengisa ama condom bese uyayo wathengisa.
Because
you are obsessed to the hustle.
Akwenzela imali wena.
no.
So now I want to tap into that money.
Awuna discipline. You are not visioned.
So uthi Emtee ukhupha abantu day 1, day 2, day 3.
Do it yourself 3, man. Oh, do it yourself 3. Like he has been, you know, working on this since, you know, because his former label Ambitious Entertainment, I mean, it's a message to them ukuthi they have exploited him. They have taken so much to him. Yes, give it up. Please. Why are you taking time?
That's for you, Emtee. Hopefully that you won't get high this time around.
Did you see the
what?
caption you post?
Uba.
Atibanyile. This is
Yeah,
personal. I'm
yeah.
coming for everything they took from me.
Imagine.
Even Kabalui.
My problem is I
Kabulungu.
wonder be sober na kanye be njani. I don't understand
Girl, don't
this
hate,
guy.
man.
quick,
Stop
guys,
hating.
let's go. Quick ad. But before siyame, please do comment below. Usixelele wena kahle ucinga ngantoni na. Am I right na ngokuthi hopefully ngoku abe ayenze esober or umone mpilo ba right na bathi noba uchaye wawa phansi okusalayo. The music speaks for itself. Don't forget to subscribe fam everywhere siyafumaneka at Share Online. Asambeke.